Debbie, you want to unmute yourself? Message for today. You asked about your dad's house selling before the end of 19, and the answer was it depends. It was hit and miss, last minute moves, and it sold on December 30th. Wow, that is so awesome, Debbie. Congratulations. So that's a huge weight off of your shoulders. So what about your living situation? Did you find that house that you were searching for?
I haven't made up my mind whether I want to move to Georgia or not.
Okay.
I think, I don't know, and I'm numerologically in a 4-year, and I still have lots of things I need to take care of here. So maybe a 5-year. I'll think about it. I don't know how I feel about it. One minute I really want to go, the next minute I go up there and I like it, but then I come home here and I have, friends and groups, and I have my Mardi Gras people and things, and I don't know what it happened. I guess I just want to see, number one, if I have a message for me today. And I do have a question about, I have a chance to maybe go to Scotland for a spiritual thing with friends that I met at Colette Baron Reed thing from Canada, and it looks nice. But at the same time, my daughter just said to me, she goes to EDC out in Las Vegas, and she said, I've already paid for my tickets for everything, but I can't afford a hotel for me. Would you like to go to Las Vegas for the weekend? Well, I can always go to Las Vegas. I have fun, and I wouldn't go to that because I have issues with standing and walking long distances. So I'm not sure whether to go to the Scotland thing, because I'm a little bit concerned about having to walk a lot, and but I feel drawn to it. At the same time, I could just say no to that and go to Las Vegas for the weekend instead, and I'm not really sure what to do.
Okay. Well, you've already said you're not really interested in going to Vegas. So even though maybe you feel like you want to do it to help your daughter
always go to Vegas. I like going there because it's an escape.
Okay. But she can get somebody else to go with her and take the room, so that you don't have to worry about that. The thing about Scotland is, don't limit yourself. Have you contacted them to find out what might be available to assist you? Like, do they have wheelchairs, like if you need something part of the time, or scooters or something? Because, okay, fine, you're a little bit limited in movement, but why should that limit your experiences, right? You feel drawn to it, there's a reason.
Oh, and they're going to go to all of these sacred stone sites and things like that and do it. I mean, as soon as it came out, I went, oh God, I'd really like to do that.
All right, then you make it happen, Debbie. Don't let anything stop you. And you're not the only one who has mobility issues. I'm sure other people attend to these that have mobility issues.
Guess what? If it's a lot of walking in one spot, I think a lot of times I'm fine with sitting down and just relaxing or watching people or something. So, and I did ask her, and she said, we'll figure it out. I'd love to have you go. So, and another thing is, I have a trip that I signed up for to go to, and I have 2 people that I've only asked so far, and it's to go to see Joe Bonamassa, which I've seen a bunch of times and I love, and is on a cruise, and I already booked a cabin for. It's only 5 days to cruise, and I'd probably take a day before and after. But one friend said, I don't know if I can go yet or not, and I have to find somebody in April. And the other girl, she wants to stay another week longer, and the longest I really want to be away from home is like 10 days tops. I hate leaving my fur babies. And as I get older, I love going away on short trips and then coming home. It's enough for me, I think. So
so honor that, Debbie.
I may just go by myself. Really, I bought a suite, and I think, and I don't really give a crap. I think I might just go by myself. I think if it's, I'm sure there'll be a lot of couples, but I go to the Red Rock thing, and I ended up having a friend go at the last minute this year, but I was going to go by myself because I like it. And I'm I enjoy speaking to people wherever I go. So
Yes. So just honor that, what feels best to you, and do it. Don't let yourself be held back because somebody else has different needs. Let them take care of their needs. You take care of your needs.
right.
Right? That's more important now than ever.
Yeah,
And
exactly. I think, and I mean, it's not that I've never been to Spain. It's going to go to Spain, then it goes to, I don't know, like a couple of the, someplace in Italy, and I think Cannes or something. And then I think when she comes back, she would like to, a whole week in Spain. And I haven't seen anything of Spain, but, and it's a lot of money to go to this, but I don't know if I want to spend a whole week in Spain or not. I mean, I could, but I mean, I'd rather spend a week in Scotland than in Spain. It's just how I feel about, and I'm happy just to go. I mean, I may not even, some of the side trips there, I put down, I put down a 1 or a 2, and I don't need the things with lots of stairs and all of that stuff. It's,
yeah.
so, um,
So stop trying to talk yourself into things that you don't want to do.
right.
For you,
Exactly.
this is about giving yourself permission to do
Right.
things that bring you joy.
And
And
quite frankly, I don't have a problem with just staying on the boat and going to the pool when it's not crowded.
yeah.
Seriously.
And you said that you don't want to be away from your fur babies for more than 10 days. So you know that.
Right.
Make that part of the conditions, right? Now,
Right.
you also ask about not sure about Georgia. So, Debbie, why can't you do both? Why can't you live in both places?
Because, well, I mean, I have a house that I bought there that my daughter's renting and stuff, but because right now I would have to sell my house in order to buy a house up there that I really love.
And you can't just go and stay with your daughter when you want to visit Georgia?
Oh, sure. Anytime I want to.
Okay, so why do you have to, if you really love where you are and you're torn, why can't you do that? Just stay with your daughter when you visit Georgia and then you go back to your cozy home.
Unless I'm ready to move completely.
Exactly. Again, this comes back to, what does Debbie want?
And again, and I think I need to feel the vibes more of different places. Like the other day I found a little town that I liked thing, and they said, well, if you're thinking about actually moving and selling your house or anything, then you need to spend like a week in that area to see how you feel about it. So, and plus my daughter, who knows what's going to happen. I would hate to sell my house that it took me 2 years to find and a half a year to renovate to exactly what I want, I think, and then have her move someplace.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah. So just make it your New Year's resolution, okay? Do what Debbie wants.
Okay.
Tune in.
Any other messages for coming through for?
Is there anything you want to share with Debbie today? I'm hearing Elvis singing Blue Hawaii.
Oh, are they trying to tell me to go to Hawaii? I've been thinking about going to Hawaii too.
Think about the song. What is Blue Hawaii? It's very smooth and flowing, right?
Uh-huh.
But if you want to go to Hawaii, maybe, I don't know. But it's the energy of Blue Hawaii. It just glides, right? No stress and strain. And that's what they're trying to tell all of us. That's where we're all getting hung up. It's like, man, somebody grabbed us and put us on a hook. And there we are hanging because we're always tying ourselves down to things instead of flowing. So more flowing and allowing is going to serve all of us, especially in these new energies. We got to surf that cosmic wave or we're going to go splat and get run over by a tsunami. So way more flow. Are you trying to tell Debbie that Hawaii would be a good choice? They're just laughing. No, it was the energy of the song. And maybe a wink from Elvis. I don't know. Are you an Elvis fan?
Well, I mean, a little bit, but I mean, I'm more of a rock and roll girl.
Okay.
And
awesome.
Elvis is.
All right, cool. All right, well, I'm going to mute you now because there's a whole bunch of people waiting here.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.